Tired of spending hours prepping food and dealing with messy cleanups in your kitchen every single day?
First up, we have a total game changer for anyone who hates tedious chopping. This all-in-one vegetable slicer solves the headache of uneven cuts and messy countertops during meal prep. It features 12 interchangeable blades that let you julienne, spiralize, and dice with absolute precision. Safety is a major focus here, thanks to the built-in finger guard and a non-slip base that keeps everything stable. Busy home cooks who want to slash their prep time in half will absolutely love this gadget. Imagine effortlessly prepping a mountain of onions and potatoes for a weekend family breakfast in just under 2 minutes.
Next, at number 2, is a clever tool designed to save your knuckles from traditional box graters. This rotary grater takes the pain out of shredding cheese, nuts, and vegetables by using a simple hand crank mechanism. It comes equipped with 4 interchangeable stainless steel drum blades that handle everything from fine grating to slicing. The safety-first design keeps your hands completely away from the sharp edges while you work. It is the perfect addition for cheese lovers and meal preppers who want speed without the risk of cuts. Picture yourself effortlessly grating a block of cheddar for taco night in seconds without tiring out your wrists. Now for number 3, we are looking at a device that will revolutionize your home beverage game. This versatile soda maker solves the limitation of traditional carbonators by letting you fizz absolutely any liquid, not just plain water. It operates entirely without electricity or batteries, utilizing a standard CO2 cartridge for quick, portable carbonation. The sleek design includes a durable, BPA-free bottle that helps you cut down on single-use plastics. Anyone looking to customize their hydration or mix unique sparkling cocktails at home should buy this immediately. You can easily turn flat apple juice into a bubbly, refreshing sparkling cider for your kids in seconds.
Coming in at number 4 is a modern upgrade to a classic tabletop essential. These automatic mills solve the hassle of manual twisting and eliminate the need for constant disposable battery replacements. They feature fast USB-C charging that keeps them powered for up to a month, alongside adjustable coarseness settings. The transparent acrylic base holds a generous capacity, letting you easily monitor your spice levels at a glance. Home chefs who appreciate convenience and sleek, modern kitchen aesthetics will find these incredibly useful. You can easily season a sizzling steak with fresh pepper using just one hand while flipping it with the other. Moving on to number 5, we have the ultimate solution for perfect breakfast eggs every single time. This compact cooker eliminates the guesswork of boiling water and dealing with stubborn, hard-to-peel eggshells. It features a versatile design that lets you soft boil, hard boil, poach, or even steam omelets with automatic shut-off safety features. The package includes a 7-egg tray, poaching insert, and a measuring cup marked for precise water levels. Busy parents and meal preppers who need high-protein breakfasts fast will get tons of mileage out of this. You can set it to make perfectly soft-boiled eggs for your morning toast while you get dressed. Next up at number 6 is a stylish duo that protects your expensive oils from spoiling. This dispenser set solves the problem of oil degradation from sunlight exposure by utilizing specialized light-blocking glass bottles. The innovative spray nozzle delivers a fine mist with a quick press or a steady stream with a slower squeeze. You also get waterproof labels to keep your pantry organized and looking great. Health-conscious cooks who want precise control over their oil usage during air frying or baking should grab the set. Imagine evenly coating a tray of sweet potato fries with a light mist of olive oil before roasting. Coming in at number 7 is a handy tool that makes preparing avocados much safer and cleaner. This 3-in-1 gadget eliminates the dangerous knife slips often associated with removing pits and slicing avocado flesh. It features a plastic blade that cuts through skin, a stainless steel pitter, and a fan blade for slicing. The soft, non-slip grip ensures you maintain control even when your hands are wet during prep. Anyone who loves guacamole or adds avocado to their daily salads needs this tool in their drawer. You can split the fruit, twist out the pit, and slice perfect wedges for toast in seconds flat. Now for number 8, we have a heavy-duty tool designed to maximize your garlic prep efficiency. This press solves the frustration of smelly hands and tedious mincing by crushing garlic cloves in one swift motion. It features a rust-resistant stainless steel basket with a systematic hole pattern designed to extract the most pulp possible. The ergonomic, glossy handle provides comfortable leverage, and the removable basket makes cleaning up under the tap incredibly simple. Anyone who cooks flavorful meals daily and wants to skip the tedious knife mincing should buy this. You can easily crush 3 cloves of garlic directly into your marinara sauce without getting your fingers sticky. At number 9, we have a classic citrus tool that ensures you get every last drop of juice. This manual squeezer solves the mess and strain of hand-squeezing lemons and limes while keeping seeds out of your food. It features a heavy-duty aluminum construction with a food-grade coating and double bowls for different citrus sizes. The ergonomic handles provide excellent leverage, making it easy for anyone to use without hand fatigue. Home bartenders and avid bakers who use fresh citrus daily will find this tool absolutely indispensable. You can quickly squeeze fresh lime juice directly over your tacos or into a cocktail shaker with zero mess. And finally, number 10 is a high-tech upgrade that brings hands-free convenience to your kitchen sink. The smart touchless faucet solves the problem of spreading germs and smudging your hardware when your hands are dirty. It features a motion sensor for hands-free activation, a dual-function pull-down sprayer, and a durable stainless steel finish. The high-arc spout swivels a full 360 degrees, giving you complete access to every corner of your sink basin. Homeowners looking to modernize their kitchen with functional, hygienic, and easy-to-install tech will love this upgrade. You can easily rinse off messy dough from your hands just by waving them in front of the sensor. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all these amazing kitchen gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our weekly reviews. Drop a comment below to let us know which of these tools you are adding to your kitchen next. Thanks for watching and happy cooking out there!